I'm Jordan.
And I'm Taylor from Curious Campervans in Penticton, BC, Canada. And this is our latest van conversion.
This is Liv. She's a 2016 170-inch wheelbase Sprinter with a high roof. Let's take a peek.
Did you know if you list your van with Outdoorsy, you can earn up to $50,000 a year? Check the link in the description to find out how.
We find a lot of campervans end up feeling really claustrophobic once they're built inside. We really wanted to utilize the extra space in the 170-inch wheelbase and create the most open concept layout to make it feel really airy and bright in here. The window cutouts in these vans actually give you an extra inch or two of space on either side, so you can fit a 75-inch long mattress sideways in the back of the van, which also helps to create more space in the living area. We installed 4 aftermarket CR Lawrence windows in this van, which have full tilt opening with bug screens to let a lot of fresh air flow as well. Of course, the extra space means we can put a nice long countertop in this van as well. We especially love this handmade hickory countertop that Taylor's dad actually put together. It's definitely a luxury item in this van, but we do get a lot of comments on how well it turned out. As well, we really love these front-loading NovaCool fridges. The black fronts are super stylish, plus totally smudge proof. And these fridges come in straight 12 volt, or you can get them in AC/DC compatibility as well.
Another advantage of the Sprinter van is using the diesel fuel source to power some of your appliances inside the van. In this case, we installed the diesel heater and hot water system in this cabinet, and also the induction cooktop on the top of the counter here. Is a pretty big advantage, so you don't have to carry around an external fuel source or worry about having to fill up a propane tank, which is quite nice. The van also has a thermostat, reading lights, some USB charging ports, and other light switches right beside the bed for easy access. We decided to extend the counter space right to the bed for somewhere to put your book or your phone at night.
We also use these porta potties in most of our conversions. They're really convenient. They're super small, easy to use, easy to dump, easy to clean, and they don't take up much space. So this way we don't have to put a full wet bath in our vans. We just do an outdoor shower out the back and the porta potty inside, and you save a ton of space. What's really nice about this van is this tall closet over here. We put all of the batteries and electrical components in the bottom, and then there's still plenty of space up top to store clothing and pantry items.
There are 400 watts of solar on the roof, powering 360 amp hours of lithium batteries located under here. And we also put in a 2000 watt inverter to power all your 110 outlets. We've also put in these Victron battery monitors in all of our conversions, so it's easy to see how full your batteries are, what state of charge you're at. We've put in a pop-off panel here in case you need to work on any of your wiring or change a fuse. It's easy to access, but also hidden away when you're not needing it. Another great space saver is the 2 swivel seats, so you can utilize the cab area of the van for more seating in case it's raining or if you're in the city. There's also a table that mounts on the floor, 2 can work or eat comfortably here. Another nice feature of the van is the electric awning made by Fiamma. It's an Italian brand known for its high quality. The electric is really nice to have, but they also do make a hand crank awning that's a lower price point and offers the same functionality. Moving to the back of the van, this is Liv's garage area. One of the advantages of a permanent bed is it allows for gear storage underneath. In this case, we built a sliding rollout tray to store your lawn chairs, barbecue, fishing gear, and whatever else you need. We put an outdoor shower in most of our conversions rather than the wet bath, which saves on space. And we've also designed custom water tanks that fit around the wheel wells for the gray and the fresh water. They work for ProMaster Sprinters and Transits. You can check them out on our website, and we'll put the link in the description below.
So that's Liv. And of course, you can head to our website, curiouscampervans.com, which is also linked in the description for more photos of Liv and all of the other conversions that we've done.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.